Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are shooting in a new location. We are in our lounge in our champ, right south of Geneva. And today we are introducing Hamide, which is a round table which is characterized by the union of different materials. Let's dive into its details. So we said that Hamide is a round table. Let's start from its dimensions. It's available in 140 centimeters and 160. This is the 160. You see it only with 2 armchairs, but of course you can easily fit 6 people, possibly 8. Normally we would suggest it with 4-6 chairs. And there's a particular feature which is it's available. This is 75 centimeters high, which is totally standard. It's available also in a lower version, which is 68 centimeters. What's the point of a lower table? Well, you might want to use it with standard chairs of armchairs, or you might want to consider to use it with lounge armchairs, which have a lower sitting height than the standard 45 of chairs. And if you want, let's say, a higher degree of comfort when you are dining with your friends and family, well, you might want to consider a lower table down to 68 centimeters, but you need to match it with specific chairs or armchairs. So then we have the tabletop. The tabletop, 2 versions. We have wood, which is 3 centimeters thick. It's all rounded on the perimeter. Bear in mind that it is veneered on top. It is ashwood, available in 3 colors. This is the Wengé color. And you can see that the edge is actually lacquered with a tone-on-tone color, which matches the wood color that you choose. And you can also see that the wood finish is used again in the lower part of the round base. Then you have the ceramic tabletop. There are 4 ceramics available. The ceramic tabletop is 12 millimeters thick. When you choose ceramics, the lower part, which you see here in wood, is covered in the same ceramic as well. So it's a nice match. And we get to the very specific, peculiar aspect of the Hamide table, which is the central part of the base elements. Now here you see it covered with our Lord leather, and straight away you can see the point. I will probably choose upholster an armchair, my chairs, with the same leather, and this is a perfect match. Well, you see here we are seeing the Velis armchair, and we chose walnut here, and we have dark Wengé color ashwood here, and one would say, oh, why matching two different wood finishes? Well, first of all, a dark color with a mid color, dark color with the regular ashwood veneer shape actually works well with a mid color walnut, and this is our taste. But also here we are in our lounge, which has well, inspiration aims towards our clients, so we use this space to inspire our clients, but normally, well, in a home you might consider a match like this or simply find matching finishes. But going back to the upholstered parts, it's definitely interesting, I would say beautiful, the fact that you can match the chairs with your table. And here we have it in Lord leather, which is a full grain leather, which we've described in detail in our reviews, previous reviews. But you can have it in faux leather, you can have it in fabric, you can have it in other types of leather. So what do you think about the possibility of matching different woods? It's something that you would do in your home, or is something that you don't even think about? Write it in the comments. The Hamide table shares its name with other items of the collection. So we have Hamide chairs, Hamide stools, and Hamide lounge chairs. And for example, you can match Hamide with other type of chairs and armchairs, but we described the option of choosing the standard 75 centimeters high table and the lower 68 centimeters table, and you could do it straight away with the Hamide chairs and Hamide lounge chairs. So we've come to the end of today's product review about the Hamide table. I hope that you liked it, and see you next time. Bye bye!